So we just went around TechEd and we met Katrien from Belgium. Katrien, what do you do at Microsoft, and what's your key role?
Guten Tag. I wanted to say something in German.
All right, servus.
I'm a developer evangelist working for Microsoft Belgium and Luxembourg, 2 small countries. And in that role, I work a lot with the developer communities. So every communication going to developers, developer events, and also working a lot with user groups, local user groups that are actually holding events in Belgium, developer-related events. And I also work a lot with MVPs. So MVPs is like the most valuable professional from Microsoft. It's an award that goes to people that are very active in the community. So I work with them a lot as well. And you can see MVPs as a bit of a next step to MSPs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they are headhunters for the MVPs, or how does it
well,
function?
no, I guess the MSPs are people already very active in their own community at that time, student communities, and then can evolve into MVPs later. I think that's a good a breeding area.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, then one question is, Microsoft is watching the communities about people having much knowledge about technologies, and then they come to them and ask if you want.
Yeah, so we work with the user group communities. We try to support them. We try to organize events or supporting them in giving them place, in giving them visibility on our websites, because they're very, very passionate about the technologies.
Even here at the TechEd?
Oh, yes, they're like in the area that we are here. It's also a bit further, there's a community area, and they come together and they organize sessions with top speakers. They try to get top speakers as well. So,
I heard something about the web matrix, and for me, I'm not a developer.
Okay.
More in server technologies, I'm moving around.
Right.
Can you explain me a bit nearer what?
Web matrix. So let me first go back a bit in what I'm doing here at TechEd. So I'm one of the track owners, which is like you are responsible for getting content and speakers for a certain track. I'm doing the web platform track. Web platform track is one of the tracks that goes around web technologies, which is my focus area. So that's ASP.NET, MVC, like Silverlight, that's IE 9, HTML5, but also the whole part of integrating with web applications. And Web Matrix is actually a very interesting technology tool. It's actually a tool. It does the following. So let's say you are interested in building your own community website or your own football club website or something of a known website, and you want to use a known open source technology. For example, you want to do it in Braco, or you want to use .NET blog engine, or even WordPress or Drupal. We have now a tool called Web Matrix, which is currently beta 2, but it allows you to start up the tool. You download, you select one of those frameworks. It installs in like a few seconds, literally. It installs the prerequisites. It installs a built-in database if it has one, and it allows you to customize and tweak a bit. And just have to go into some of the pages. You can even do some analysis.
Sounds like SOAP, I think.
Sorry?
SOAP, where you can put in applications. If
it's not like SOAP. It's basically it's like a list of applications you have, and you can just hit the checkbox, and it automatically installs it.
Installs the application. It allows you to customize it. That's Web Matrix as well. It has other stuff as well, but that's really the basis. It's like downloading and configuring the open source CMS that you want to use. You change the theming, you change it everything either via administration interface or just tweaking.
And you don't have to care about the installation process and so on.
Right, it does it for you. It really does the whole thing for you. And then the last step is you want to host it somewhere. So it actually offers you a list of hosters. You select a hoster. Most of them even give you a 3 months free trial or a 1 month free trial. You click upload or publish, and it will do the necessary work for you to get that whole website that you have tweaked and put it online. And then a next step is you can even start tweaking further and then just update whatever needs to be updated.
What is the name of the website where you start that?
So the name of the website that you start for Web Matrix is www.microsoft.com/web/webmatrix.
All right. I tried it out when it was still in beta process, so I was part of the official beta student partner team trying it, and I think I think it's it has been written for like students who began with PHP and then wanted to go over to ASP.NET. Is that correct, or is it?
Well, in a sense, there's something I didn't mention. So it allows you to take a PHP application like WordPress, a CMS, or Drupal, or Joomla, and tweak that and still use PHP. Now, of course, if you want to do ASP.NET and you really just want to play around a bit with scripting, ASP.NET can be quite a big ramp up because it's a whole technology stack, it's a whole framework. And what we try to do is create a new version of ASP called ASP.NET Web Pages with a very simple syntax with helpers. With a few lines of code, you open your database and you download something and you generate whatever view that you want. That's called a Razor syntax for ASP.NET Web Pages. So that's true, that's also part of Web Matrix. So it allows you to go from very simple tweaking and then publishing your application to really getting started with the basics of programming. And then if you really want to go further, you have a button, go to Visual Studio, and start doing actual ASP.NET MVC.
Sounds great. So if you want to get it, check out the link below and download it and try it out.